clinically depressed, but really is depressed. This is depressed. Either it's cold, it's extremely short, experience, and immediately people start going on once they get aroused and catching, like really they start to talk instead of saying.
Right, just finished that. Just finished the Joe Rogan podcast with Andrew Huberman, episode 1683. Give it a listen. Some interesting shit in it. I just did cardio on the bagger, 350 calories, 6 3-minute rounds. Mate, this heat fucking killing me off. Is this how overexposed? No, it's alright. Fuck. Good God, my almighty, man. Day 3, welcome. Sherelle's feeling a wee bit worse for wear this morning. She's way back to bed. So we'll see how she's feeling when she awakes again from her nap. Still don't know if I can taste yet, because I haven't eaten yet. But we'll see in a second.
Dolphin. Get ready for a dolphin song. I say Martha. Elephant.
He can now operate the Alexa. He couldn't do it before because she couldn't understand what he was saying. Brilliant. So, meal number 1. Here we go. I have a breakfast wrap, what you've just seen. Tortilla. Tortilla. 4 rashers of bacon. 2 turkey sausages. 1 free-range egg. Basic. There's a way of keeping calories down when you're trying to make yourself like a fake fry or something, if you want to call it. Is you can go for like lower calorie options like turkey sausages instead of like pork sausages. You can go for baked medallions instead of full rashers, and then you can grill it instead of frying it, and that comes in at a whopping 571 calories with I think 38 grams of protein. Yeah, boy. Before we go any further, I need to see if I could taste. Nothing, mate. Fuck's sake. Just spread diseases everywhere. See, there's Bob Boy here. Stainless steel. Bob Jobby, classmate. It's made by the brand Green Steel. Can you see that? Green Steel. You know, 'cause trying to keep the world all green, save the turtles and all that there. Massive announcement to make. hopefully by the time this video has went live, my other channel will be live, which will be the podcast. It'll be linked in the description below. Go give it a listen and check it out. Hopefully it'll be on there by then. And there should be one episode on there with me and the main man, Zach himself, or counting_Zach Rose on Instagram. It's on for an hour and 45 minutes. I'll give you something to listen to anyway. Nothing really much has happened today. Sherelle slept for a lot of it. She's not well at all. She's suffering bad. She feels like she's just been in a car accident. I still just don't have any taste or smell. I know you know this because I keep telling you it every single video. Seen a husband and wife or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is, pushing their pram, their little one, they look like they're going to the park. I'm a wee bit jealous. Just a wee bit. Just a wee bit jealous. You're not gonna want to take deep.
I'm in the trenches. I don't know where I got my fucking brain in the trenches. Where I come from, maybe you don't hear any stories or.
Chicken. Here, Jack, you want this chicken burger? No. Do you think bread could be kept in the trenches? This is shit we are.
They land, and then who knows how many fucking people they infect? So another wave comes back and shoots the news. How many people die from the initial infection? But all these ghosts are already rampant stuff like this. And we need for people. 6 carrying germs which thrive in the population of the Americans are affected. If you know you gotta be in a plane for 6 hours, you know you'll be in a plane for 6 hours.
But I have that kind of general thing that I don't.
Need to hire this up a minute. Fucking hell, look how professional that lighting is, mate. How professional is that? Sick. Right, so today is day 3. It's day 3 in isolation. And I know, although we're only on day 3, today was definitely the hardest day so far mentally wise. I just didn't feel like myself today, and it's very hard to explain, but it just didn't feel like me. I had no real desire to do anything. I'm keeping things transparent with you and honest. I spent the most of the day just, I said this yesterday, stay off this as much as possible when you're isolating. But today I fell into that trap and I was just I was glued to this, mate, and I couldn't put this curse, because I know sometimes good comes off social media, but there's so much shit on it and so much fakeness that it seeps into your subconscious mind, whether you like it or not. There's things on there and you think it's not annoying you, but subconsciously it's getting into the brain, it's getting into your brain, and it's making you feel fucking worthless, mate. And I had one of those days where I just fucking felt like fucking shit all day, and we're just taking it every day as it comes. Today is almost over, so tomorrow is a new day. I'll get up and I'll go again, because that's all we do, is just we move, mate. We get up the next day and we just go and we try and be better than what we were the previous day. And I know today is not going to be that fucking difficult to beat tomorrow. I still managed to train twice today, which is fucking huge. I've still managed to tick off 3 massive victories today, and that is number 1, hitting my calories. Number 2 was getting some sort of cardio in, and then number 3 was lifting some sort of weight, creating like a resistance, some sort of resistance training. I managed to achieve those 3 things, but in terms of anything else, like I barely, like I know I was there, but I wasn't present with the child, and it makes me feel guilty because it's starting to, and he's day 3 now of not getting out, and it's fucking hard now, because he's like, he wants to see his granny, he wants to see his cousins, and he doesn't understand me, and it's fucking starting to get really fucking difficult. Me and I think I mentioned it earlier, me and Sherelle seen a couple who live somewhere in this development we live. We're just walking down the street, pushing their child in the pram, and we take little things like that there for fucking granted, when really like that is for me and Sherelle now, that's like a luxury, mate. Like being able to like take Abel round to the park or out for a walk or so. It seems like a luxury now. It seems like I just can't wait to get back to normality. It's also making me want to take this COVID, not that I haven't took it seriously, but even more seriously than what I actually have, because I am not doing this again, mate. There's no way. I can't do another 10 days of this fucking lockdown shit. It's crazy. It's mad. I can understand where the mental health problems happen and arise from this COVID. Like if you're self-isolating with no one, it's gonna put you in a very fucking vulnerable place, mate. But what I have noticed is that when I rang my wee brother and I was talking to him and I had a laugh on the phone, things started to happen. Like, I started to feel better about myself. So if you are feeling like shit, pick the phone up and ring someone. Or if you're the one who's lucky enough and you know someone who's in isolation, give them a call, FaceTime them, hopefully make them laugh. It'll make a massive difference on their day and potentially the rest of their isolation. Me talking to Jack was just like, it was like a release from reality, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? It's like fucking, I was able to laugh and stuff and feel myself and shit, which was fucking great. So I know I basically FaceTime him near enough every single day, because he also tested positive for COVID, but he's out of isolation today. His finishes today. But yeah, don't hesitate to pick a phone up and ring someone, or if you know someone who's isolating, don't hesitate to pick your phone up and give them a fucking phone call or drop them a message or something. It'll make a massive, massive difference. And I know today's video hasn't been really like fun-packed, energetic, feel-good video, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just documenting the 10 days of isolation, and this is the fucking truth from it. Day 3 was shit. Fucking shit. Tomorrow we move, we go again. Hopefully better this time. I managed to get that in 6 minutes. I hope I haven't rambled it in too long. Hope you're still with me. If you are, smash the like button, hit hit the subscribe button, share this mini documentary series with a friend. Maybe they're in isolation, maybe they use it for some sort of entertainment purposes or help, but just let them know it's out there. And thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we'll be back. Well, we will be back tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be back in a fucking better, in a better mindset. So peace out, people. I love each and every single fucking one of yous. Adios, amigo.